With Summit Automotive in Fond du Lac and Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. Today I am at the 2019 Chicago Auto Show, and we're checking out Fords, we're checking out Rams, we're checking out Jeeps, we're checking out just about everything that is at the auto show today. And I just wanted to do a quick video on this 2019 Ford F-250 Platinum. And I wanted to do it because this is the magma color. It's, I think, one of the best looking colors that I've seen on the 2019 Super Duties. And it's new for this year. So as we come around this way, you can see it almost looks brown, kind of like a root beer color. And when it's a little darker out, it gets this deep red color to it. And especially when it's outside and cloudy. But you can see you get the platinum grille, LED running lights, chrome tow hooks. Get in on that magma red paint. Just a really good looking color. Super Duties ride amazing. This one has the 20-inch polished aluminum rims, the Michelin LTX LT275/65R20 tires. This one has just about every option that you can get on the Super Duty. Has the power running boards on it, which this side is turned off. When we get to the driver's side, you'll be able to check that out. Comes with the chrome tipped exhaust. Blind spot monitoring in the mirror. This one has the FX4 package, so you get the skid plates and all that good stuff. Has the power down tailgate. Has the tailgate step assist. Normally don't do this in my videos, but since it's a brand new vehicle and I know it's going to work flawlessly, I'll do it. Got the nice tailgate step assist there. Spray and bed liner on this one, the Tough Bed from Ford. So it's the factory one, has the LED bed lighting. And you can turn those on with that button right there. Got the side box tie downs. So these go in just like so. This goes up like that. Tailgate shuts nice and solidly. This truck has the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. You get the Power Scope mirrors. Of course, comes with the driver's side door code entry, the intelligent access for the doors. The Platinum package gives you kind of the black and silver mesh seating with the Platinum badge on the back. I'd imagine both these seats are heated and cooled. Power Scope mirrors, they power fold in. They power telescope out for when you're towing trailers. And like I said, those power boards, they do come out on this side. They must have them just set up for one side at the auto show here. You get the big instrument cluster there. I don't think we can turn this on, but if we can, yeah, you can see the big instrument cluster there. Comes with the B&O sound, factory exhaust brake, lane departure. You got your 360 camera, downhill assist control, your stability control. The leather wrapped steering wheel. This one has adaptive cruise control right there. And your Bluetooth audio controls on the right. Really nice steering wheel. Got the nice wood grain trim. You got your heated and cooled seats, your dual climate control, your factory brake controller, turn dial 4-wheel drive. This one still has the 6-speed automatic transmission. Got your dual glove boxes, 110 volt, 400 watt plug-in. Up here you have your 6 auxiliary switches, your home link system, and then that panoramic glass roof in here. power sliding rear window with the built-in rear defrost, and just a lot of really cool styling. Those seats are really neat, kind of a copper gold stitching to them. We'll take a quick look at the back seats. These back seats are heated as well. You have 2 USBs, another 110 400 watt plug-in, and then just another normal power point, plus your air vents back here. Got your bins back here, which can lock them. Then they also collapse, so they go down flat. Just a really good looking truck. And I'd like to thank you for checking out the video today. And go to our YouTube channel and check out a whole bunch more. And we'll be here the rest of today and tomorrow doing all these videos. So if you want to check us out, you can go to youtube.com/summitauto and check out all the videos there. And remember to like, subscribe, and share on this video and all the videos that you see there. We'll be doing as many as we can, as many vehicles as we can, as time allows and battery allows. Thanks again, and we look forward to you checking out more.